A humanitarian convoy with health and food supplies for about 42,000 isolated residents reached the besieged Syrian town of Madaya on Monday. A spokesperson for the Red Cross said aid workers found a desperate population there.
It was very, very heartbreaking to see that definitely food, medicines, other humanitarian aid was very much needed inside. We have seen people who were waiting for us at the checkpoints, who still couldn't really believe when the first truck were entering that this aid is actually reaching them.
A UN coordinator in Syria told reporters in New York by phone that food was delivered in 50-kilogram cartons, each containing enough food to last a family of 5 for 1 month.
Our challenge.
He said it's important that these deliveries continue. The aid was dispatched following reports of people starving to death in areas encircled by pro-government forces.
A doctor reported to us deaths from lack of food and people who had chronic illnesses being particularly vulnerable. Even people who are healthy are in many senses equally at risk of becoming less so. Children are going out to collect grass to eat. It's one of the last nutritional resources available. But there are landmines around.
Syria's representative at the UN has called such reports fabrications spread by the news media.
And the main responsible for these fabrications is your own channel, Al Jazeera and Al Arabiya. This is not personal against you, but your channel is mainly responsible for fabricating these. Hold on, I haven't finished yet. For these allegations and lies.
Damascus has dispatched aid convoys to 2 towns under siege by opposition forces. Almost 400,000 in Syria are believed to be trapped in areas besieged by various parties to the conflict. UN development agencies on Tuesday appealed to member states for close to $8 billion to help more than 22 million people in the region this year. Zlatica Hoke, VOA News, Washington.